Hi guys, hope you're well. It's Matt Feast. I'm going to quickly do a video of my blog, and at the end of the day, why is my blog very, very, very important on your online journey? Well, I think it's a necessity. If you're building a business online, it's a necessity. You need it. It's a great base for building your online business. So basically, I've had this blog for roughly about, say, a good 5 or 6 years. I think it's a very, very good base for building your business. I used to send mails out to people, building a list, and I was just sending people sales pages and sales information. And then I started sending people opt-in pages. Click on the opt-in pages, getting their name, getting an email address, because I found out, I learnt that when people are interested in the business and you send them some information, say a sales page, they might be interested, they might not. And then if they're not interested, you've lost them. Okay. So I decided to send or create opt-in pages, which is grabbing their email address and also their name. Okay. So basically, I'm building my list. Okay. And what happens is, if they're not interested in a program or platform I'm doing, it doesn't matter, because they might be interested in something else, and that's how we do it, because I'm building my list. Building a list is very, very important, and having a blog is important. So the reason why I'm saying this is a great base for building your business online, because when I send people to my blog, it's showing people who I am, because I'm people like to deal with people, okay, who I am, my journey, my struggles, my traffic sources, okay, and the programs and platforms I'm promoting, okay, and also where I'm buying, say, for example, if you use cryptocurrency, where I'm buying my cryptocurrency from, and also my recent blog posts, okay. So when I'm sending people to my blog, okay, with let's say this program at the moment, which I'm promoting, I'm building slowly, okay. A company called Hodl, okay. So I'm actually posting it on Facebook and Twitter, etc., all these social medias, and then I'm putting it into a blog, and then I'm sending traffic to my blog, okay. They might be interested in this business, and they might not. But if you scroll down here on the right hand side, it's got loads of affiliate products what I'm promoting, in the past, or I'm still promoting now, okay. So basically, I'm getting two or three birds to one stone. So that's how I'm rolling it, and that's how I'm building my business. So you don't, when you're promoting a business, don't just send your sales page. Try and build a blog. There's loads of companies you can buy a blog from, or have a blog created, or create your own blog. You can use a company called Fiverr.com. Okay, get somebody to do it, say, for $50. Great. Or you can actually create your own blog by using one of these free platforms like Wix. That's very good. There's loads of free companies out there. But I've actually paid for mine because I feel, I'll give you an example. If I on Facebook or YouTube, or I'm on Twitter or whatever, and they decide to close my account, big problem, okay? So I'll have to create another account. But with having a blog, no one can take this away. That's the beauty about it. I actually own this blog. This is my blog. My domain name, mattfeastonline.com. And I use a company called Host Stinger. I like them. Very good company. You can actually search on the on Google for that. Very competitive, very good service. And, at the end of the day, I own this blog. So no one can take it away from me. And that's how you do it. That's how you roll. Because it's so easy to, get your account taken. I had on my I had my Twitter account taken away about 6-7 years ago. Absolutely absurd. I was posting, and I decided to use one of these programs, okay, catching leads, and obviously Twitter didn't like it, so they banned me from my account. So I had to create another one. Very annoying, because I had quite a few followers. So that's one of the reasons I built a blog, and also it's not just having a blog, you're getting free organic traffic to your blog. and by keywords. When you're marketing online, you need to get yourself out there as well. I have a blog, I do YouTube videos, I post on Facebook, Twitter, all over the place. And that's how I create a reasonable good living online. Every time I blog, I share it. To all these, social media platforms. And that's what you should do, guys. Yeah. If you're very serious about building business online, that's what you do. And if you run out of content, you're trying to think, oh god, I've got no content to write about. Not a problem. I use a chat BTC or chat, it's a AI, but then obviously I do make it my own. I put my own spin on it, and that saves me so much time. Not like it used to be. You had to create your own content or use a company called Fiverr.com and source a writer out. Those days are gone. You can actually do it yourself by using one of these AI chat BT things. Yeah, like read writers. Yeah, very good. I'll quickly show you. Let's have a look. Here we are. chatopenai.com. Brilliant. It's free. It's absolutely free, guys. They used to charge about $20 a month. Now it's free. So hey, all my content's here. I'll give them a prompt. It gives me all the information. I copy and paste it, put it on my blog. Obviously, make it my own spin, and then I submit it to the search engines by using Google, my Google account. So and also I do submit my blog to Bing as well, and that's what I do. Or I use what I call now. I do send it to a platform which gets Google to rank it. I use Ping Farm. It's free. I'll show you. Let me have a quick look. Ping Farm. Okay. Here we go. It's free. Boom. Oh dear. Oh dear. Well, that's not looking good, is it? Okay, but sometimes it works. Typical, especially when you're doing a YouTube video. Oh well, but normally it does work. And all I do is just put my URL. Okay, for example, if I got to say post here, blog post, all right, and I use this one here. If I scroll down and I use this one here, I just grab my my post. There we go. I just grab this URL and paste it, copy, and I actually go to, so it might be working again now, I don't know. No, it's not working. Okay, let's use another company. Here we go. Right, a Ping-O-Matic. Another one. There's loads of companies out there that you can actually ping your blog all over the internet, and it gives you little free backlinks, and also it'll index your website. So there's loads of free companies out there. Get yourself out there. Every time I do a blog, it's just so it speeds up the indexing of my Google for my blog. All right. So, but normally Ping Farm works, but hey, I don't know, products they have the maintenance. But anyway, not to worry. But at the end of the day, I do post probably 3 or 4 days a week. No, I have done it every day for, I think it's a few weeks ago. But sometimes you don't have time. Your life. You have a busy. We all have busy lives. At the end of the day. But I like to post every 3 or 4 times a week, and it builds me traffic. But I'm getting free organic traffic, and that's what you want. And when I'm promoting it on Facebook, yes, I have to work for it. I have to buy traffic sometimes, and I just send people my blog, and I do get traffic that way as well. So it's worth looking into having a blog. I think it's important, but when you first start, obviously, you're starting, but as you get involved in online marketing, you realise having a blog is quite important. I use it as a base, a good base for my online business. All right. Me and my guys have great. Thanks so much for watching my video. Really appreciate it. And thanks for watching my video. and subscribe my channel. That'd be really great. And also give me a good like. Happy days. Take care, guys. Have a great day.